Hi, I'm Katura with BlueNotary, and we're here today with Rody Gomez, owner of Legendary Notaries. Thank you so much for being with us, Rody.
No, it's my pleasure. Thanks for inviting me.
Of course. So tell me a little bit about how you first discovered Blue Notary and what problem you were trying to solve at the time.
Previously, I used to be a mobile notary, and then I decided to, hey, with rising prices and the way that the economy is going, I really need to scale my business in a different way. I decided let's look into something more virtual, something more remote. And here we are as Remote Online Notaries. And when I went and signed up for it, Blue Notary was one of the biggest websites that were promoted for notary work. It was two in one solving problem here where I can be a remote online notary and I can choose a really good provider to help me do that. And that's what I was trying to solve, was scaling my business in a more economical virtual way.
Makes sense, especially with the way the world is going, where so much of what we do is online already.
Right.
Before bringing your work online with Blue Notary, what were some of the biggest pain points in your workflow?
The one thing that I really like about Blue Notary is, let's say something forgets to get signed or something forgets to get checked off. A Blue Notary allows me to go back in and edit the document. When I was a mobile notary, once you left the location, you had to then call the customer again, have them come out, do the check off if there was anything that needed to be changed. You know what I mean? It was more painful because then that's more gas, that's more time wasted. Blue Notary just makes and facilitates it so easily that I can do it right from the comfort of my own home and not have to have that extra expenditure.
Definitely, time is money, and Blue Notary saves you money
Right.
and time.
And no need to go back and forth. It's just let's edit the document. Hey, hop back right back in and let's just get this done real quick.
Yep,
Super easy.
get it done. From that, what changed in your day-to-day operations once you started using the platform?
It was no longer got a time for traffic. There was no longer waiting for the customer to get there. Obviously, yes, we're waiting for the customer to log in, but it's so much more convenient. You just hop online and you're just there. You're there, no worry about anything, no worry about time constraints. And then it's an easy switch up if, hey, I can't make it, the customer tells you, right? And you can just easily reschedule it. It makes it so convenient versus you're already there sitting at a Starbucks and then they're calling you like, hey, I can't. It's so much easier online with Blue Notary.
That's so great to hear. You already said how much you love the platform. Are there any Blue Notary features that you regularly rely on that have made your work significantly easier?
Believe it or not, you guys just recently rolled out with AI pre-tagging,
Mhm.
and I have used that since the day you guys rolled out, and it has saved me so much time. Granted, it's AI. We got to check our work after AI, right? But it's just simply like AI moved it into the wrong like little line, and you just drag and drop it. It's super easy versus having to pull it over, type it out, which pre-tagging is not difficult. It's just AI. That feature you guys added was chef's kiss.
Yeah. Oh man, I love that. How has bringing your work online with Blue Notary helped you save time or increase your earning potential?
Time is saved, obviously, like I was explaining before, with the traffic, with customer can't meet you, the rescheduling, the this, the that. Blue Notary, you can easily reschedule with the click of a button. I don't have to worry about the gas. I don't have to worry about everything else that has to do with physically being somewhere. And then with earning, once again, the saving of the gas, the saving of the time, because like we said, time is money. And it's not, it's one of those things where when you sit down and crunch those numbers, every penny counts. And Blue Notary definitely helps that.
Yeah, definitely. Those little bit of savings of minutes and pennies, every single one of those counts towards your revenue at the end of the year. So for notaries who are still doing everything offline, being the mobile notary, sitting at the Starbucks, still waiting for their signers, what would you tell them about moving online with Blue Notary?
Listen, even though I'm a business owner, even though I own my own business and I, have my employees. I do not gatekeep anything. I'm not one of those people. I'm all about share the wealth. And if I ever come across a notary that is still only a mobile notary, I'm constantly preaching and pushing for them to go get their RON. It's one of those things that once you sign up and once you're a RON, and especially when you get on Blue Notary, a platform that's so simple to use, it's very user friendly. I mean, my mom, who she's in her upper 50s, not that she's computer illiterate or nothing, but she was able to pick up Blue Notary in one day. It's super easy. It's drag and drop. And then now that we're able to add the checklist, and now that me as the owner, I'm allowed to add like my scripts and stuff like that, I don't have to worry about the mess ups and the, oh my gosh, I forgot to check the ID, because there's that checklist. Blue Notary has so many features that just every person I come across, I'm like, you guys need to look at this program. You guys need to get your RON and move up and scale up in life. And it's one of those things where it's just better to do it than just think about it and wonder, oh my gosh, but it's virtual and I don't. Go do it. Go do it. And go do it with Blue Notary, please. They're the easiest one. It's simple and they make it, it's reliable, is really the word.
I really appreciate you sharing all of your insights with us, especially, like you said, as a business owner, as someone who's all in on RON. Just really appreciate your experience and coming to talk with me today.
Oh, no problem. Glad you invited me. Thank you so much.